Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Cardinal Red. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with an illuminated star in the grille, adaptive high beam assist, front and rear LED daytime running lights, active curve illumination. Also included is the exterior AMG package, which is going to give you 20-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. The night package, which is going to give you black accents on the exterior, brushed aluminum running boards, black MB-Tex interior, pano sunroof, come around back, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, our black accents, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you lane keep assist, active blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, a black anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel controls. Also included is smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE 350 has 36,890 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.